Hi, this is Joe Stokley, Stokley Properties, with another video newsletter to all of our owners and clients. Wanted to follow up with my last video newsletter regarding the new rent control laws that Governor Gavin Newsom signed into law. I've taken a lot of time to study just exactly what these laws are. I've spoken with the government affairs people from the California Association of Realtors and also the California Apartment Association. And I'm here to say I'm happy that I don't think these laws are going to have very much of an impact on us, you and us as the property managers. We already practice, I think, very good business techniques and treat the renters, I think, very well with respect and with respect to the law. These laws that they have out right now with the 10% ceiling, 5% plus cost of living, we very rarely raise rents every year, year after year after year, 10%. I mean, you're going to push people out eventually. We believe in raising rents, but I believe we're already at market height rents, as high as the market will dictate. And then if so, we increase the rents. These laws, I believe, are addressing a very, very, very small percentage of bad landlords. They're out there, and that's what this is like. It's pretty much like an anti-gouging type of law. Same thing with the evictions. If you have to do an eviction, I think some people were scared, like you'll never be able to get anybody out of the property. If people are breaking the lease, they're not paying the rent, they're laying waste to the property, they're all still grounds to be evicted. And they're just saying, like, hey, 60-day notice for people to move out. Again, we already are complying and do all these things, that these new laws are there. I really think it's almost a waste that that they went through all this whatever time and money to put these laws there. It's only probably benefiting a very, 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 very small group of people. But say what it is, we are, like I said, I looked them over, talked to several people. I feel very confident they're going to have very little to no impact to you as a property investor. But of course, we'll keep you posted. On another note, wanted to let you know as far as what the rental market is looking like these days. I've done my reading, and in the last 10 years, we've had a really strong growth in rent increases, more than doubled. However, I believe we are coming to a plateau right now as far as how much more we can increase rents and what the market will bear. If we can get a higher rent, we're going to do it. But I believe we are coming to that part now in the cycle that we're seeing the tippy top of the rental market, and every market's different type of property, but kind of overall we're seeing that it might be starting to plateau. But we'll keep you posted on that as well. But I just wanted to give you a quick update on these new laws that are coming into effect at the beginning of the year, and a quick shot at what the rental market looks like right now. So, of course, if you have any questions, please give us a call here at Stokley Properties, 925-658-1415. And again, I'm Joe Stokley, and thanks for listening.